Babysit my kid. Sure. What are you doing on our turf? Bunnies aren't allowed here. Well, I guess you'll have to fight for the turf.
Bunnies vs rabbits. Pure. The winner is the birds. And the losers are the rabbits.
Hey, meet me in the courtyard. What are we gonna do? Huh? Let's go outside. Hey, Flamingo, don't run away. Don't leave. You have eggs with you. You come to my house. You come to my house, so you have to go outside. Good night. What are we going to do for the My sister has a flamingo. We can use that. Come on, Flamingo, let's go.
It's morning time. She's gone. She won't leave the eggs behind. We're to lose our tournament. No, we have Flamingo. Do you have anything from Flamingo? Yes, sir. Let's begin. Flamingo, I found you. What do? I activate the tournament. Winner, Saber, loser, Flamingo. Just go. We won, and you lose. And we keep Flamingo. No, I won't let you. What do you say? I said no. Kids, what are you doing? Fine, we'll take the egg. Huh? Where you going? Okay, we're going to. Come on. Mom, take Flamingo home. Let's go. Later. Stop. Run! Ouch! The eggs! Where do you think you're going? Oh no! Let my daughter go! Give me stop. No! Hey! What do you miss? Flamingo, you're alive! Here's your eggs, Flamingo. Let's go home. If you want to watch more Both of Us Rabbits, then watch season 2. Have a nice day!